welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another makeup tutorial for you all. Today I'm doing like a bright kind of tropical snow coney glittery sort of look. I just wanted to play with a lot of color today, so we have a lot of oranges and teals and yellows. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching and let's get started. I'm going to start this look out by going into the Orangey Glad palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to go into color Sunkissed, which is like this bright orange here. And I'm just taking a really big fluffy brush and we're gonna swirl this around on the crease kind of as a transition color, just to lay down some kind of neon-y bright bases. This is a really elaborate look, as you could probably tell by my intro. So it's gonna be a lot of different colors, a lot of blending, and a lot of Ruger chewing on his new toy back here. So I'm just going to take my time and go in little circles to make sure this doesn't overtake the look, because this orange can get very bright and kind of over the top very quickly. So I'm just taking little bits and working them in basically until I can't see the veins on my eyelids anymore. For the crease color, I'm going to the Honey palette, and I'm going into Totally Buggin', which is kind of like a yellowy mustardy color, but it has a bit of orange tone to it. And I'm going to tap this into the crease, and I'm just using little tapping motions because I don't want it to muddy with that orange. And then just very lightly sweeping along. On the lid, I'm going to take The Next Morning from NYX, which is this kind of like Tiffany blue teal shade. And we're going to pack this on the outside of the lid. And I'm just using little patting motions, kind of going up to create the wing shape for when we do liner. However, this shade can get chalky very quickly, so I want to make sure I'm really pressing it into my primer. And this shade's going to go about to, I would say, a little bit over a third of the lid. We're just going to take the brush we used for our crease color and gently tap it. I'm going back into the Honey palette and taking the color Sweet Spot on a packing brush. This is a bright yellow, and we're going to put this in the center. And this is going to kind of blend with that teal really nicely. It creates a cool kind of green when you blend them together like this. For some reason, this color is much easier to work with. It's a very pigmented yellow, and the colors above it just allow it to blend in super simple. So I'm just using, almost like I'm painting, like I'm pulling it down towards my lower lash line. And on the other half, I am going back into the Orangey Glad palette, and we're going to take the color Mimosa Mommy and pack this in the corner. To take a little bit of glitter adhesive, just a touch. I'm putting that in the inner corner. I'm going to use the color Palooza to pack in and add a little bit of sparkle. Liner, I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick. This is the Run the World Liquid Lip from NYX. It's a very bright purple. And I'm just going to take this on one of my face painting brushes and do a little liner with it. I feel like black liner would just bring this look down too much, so I want to do something a little bit brighter. So I did my lashes and my base. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this color Creamsicle on a smudger brush and just put this underneath the lower lash line. Just kind of bring all the orange together. For blush, I'm going to use Bella Bamba so that everything is nice and luminous and bright. I'm going to go a little bit heavier with the blush today than I normally do. Just because this look is so bright, I think it needs a little bit of pink to warm it up. For highlights, since we're doing kind of a tropical look, I'm going to do my rainbow highlight from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to go all around it and blend it. And for my lips, I'm going to do like a dark orange. So this is Sensational from LA Colors. We're going to line with this. I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Lip Suede in Orange County. This is the finished look. It's very bright, kind of like a neon tropical look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like and leave me a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.